Welcome everyone. Welcome to EasyFlow English. In today's video we are not just going to talk about English. We are going to transform the way you speak it. We are going to fix a big problem. No one ever told you about this. By the end of this video I promise you will look in the mirror and you will say, yes, now I can speak. I finally understand how to train my mouth to talk. So please listen until the very end. Subscribe to EasyFlow English because this video is the most important turning point in your English journey. Let me ask you something simple. How many videos do you watch about English? How many grammar rules do you learn? How many hours do you listen silently? But when it is time to speak, your lips freeze. Your tongue shakes. Your voice disappears. Your brain goes blank. This is not because you are stupid. It is not because your English is bad. It is because your mouth is untrained. This is the truth. You are not moving your mouth like an English speaker. You are reading, you are watching, and you are listening, but you are not training your speaking muscles. That is why nothing changes. That is why you stay stuck. That is why your confidence dies when you open your mouth. English is not just in your head. It is in your lips, your tongue, your jaw, and your sound flow. Until you train those, you will always feel like something is missing. But today that ends. This video is different. This is not a boring grammar lesson. This is not another list of phrases. We are going to break your fear. We are going to wake up your mouth. We are going to build real spoken English fluency from zero. You do not need to be perfect. You do not need a perfect accent. You do not need expensive courses. All you need is 5 minutes a day, the right method, and the courage to start. This is the truth your English teacher never told you. This is your moment to stop just learning English and start speaking it. Your mouth does not know how to move like an English speaker. It is not your grammar, it is not your vocabulary, it is your mouth. You have been training your brain but not your mouth muscles. That is why you sound slow or nervous. English is a physical language. It has a different rhythm and a different shape. Imagine reading 100 books about push-ups. You understand the technique but you never actually did a push-up. What happens when you try? You fall down because your muscles are weak. That is exactly what happens with English speaking. You know the words but your mouth is not trained to move fast and smooth. Your tongue and your lips are lazy. They are used to your first language. They do not know how to handle English speed and sound patterns. That is why you say, I understand everything but I cannot speak. Speaking is mental but it is also muscular. In your native language you have repeated every sound thousands of times. That is why you are fast. But in English, you have never trained your mouth for special sounds or linking words. You can change this today. You can build speaking muscles like you are in a gym. You do not need hours. You just need focus and consistency. I have a promise for you. If you do this for 5 minutes every day for 30 days, your English will sound different. We are going to train your mouth like a muscle. It is not about how long you practice. It is about how you practice. Your goal is to build tiny habits that rewire your mouth. Reading is knowledge, but speaking is movement. Movement requires muscle memory. Now, let's start the 5-minute training system. Step 1 is the mouth warm-up for 1 minute. Just like in the gym, you need to warm up. You need to shift your lips, tongue, and jaw into English mode. First, do lip rolls. Buzz your lips like a motor for 5 seconds, 3 times. Second, do a tongue stretch. Push your tongue out and back in 10 times. Third, loosen your jaw. Open and close your mouth 5 times. Fourth, do a smile stretch. Stretch your smile wide and hold for 5 seconds. This works because it releases tension. A warm mouth is a ready mouth. Step 2 is the mirror technique for 1 minute. The mirror is your coach. Stand in front of the mirror and look into your eyes. Choose one simple sentence like, I am learning to speak confidently. Say it slowly. Watch your lips and your tongue move. Feel the sound. Say it 5 times. Each time say it a little faster. This builds confidence and kills your fear. After 10 days you will feel powerful. Step 3 is shadow speaking for 2 minutes. This is real fluency training. Shadow speaking means you listen to a sentence and you repeat it immediately. You try to match the speed, the tone, and the rhythm. Choose a short clip from a movie or a video. If you hear, I don't think that's a good idea, you repeat it exactly like that. Do not say it slowly. Match the original. This is muscle training. This is how babies learn to talk. Step 4 is the fluency loop for 1 minute. This is a rapid repetition system. Take a sentence like, I'm going to improve my English. Say it very slow. Then say it normal. Then say it very fast. Focus on every sound, then make it smooth. Repeat this loop 3 times. This helps you stop overthinking. Most learners skip this. They buy grammar books but they never train their mouth. But you have a system now. You have an English gym in your own room. You do not need a partner. You just need your voice in 5 minutes. When your mouth is fluent, your English will follow. Now let's talk about sound clusters. Most learners sound like robots because they separate every word. They speak one word at a time. But native speakers speak in clusters. They speak groups of sounds that flow like music. This is word linking. When you learn this, you will sound natural even if you make mistakes. Do not say, I am going to the market. Say, I'm going to the market as one unit. It is like a melody. A sound cluster is a group of 3 to 6 words with no break. For example, do not say, what are you doing? Say, what ya doin'? It is fast and smooth. Another example is, did you eat? It sounds like one word, did you eat? This is natural spoken English. Fluency is not about being perfect. It is about being comfortable and fast. You do not need a perfect accent. You just need rhythm. When you speak smoothly, people will say your English is good. To practice this, choose 3 clusters every day. For example, going to go now, or, let me know. Say them like a song. Repeat them 10 times like a rap. Rhythm creates memory. Then create your own sentence and say it as one smooth sound. Record your voice every day. Use your phone. Listen to your speed and confidence. On day 7 you will be a different speaker. You can even use music. Speak your clusters on the beat of the music. English is a language of flowing sound. Here are 5 secret phrases for you. What do you think? Let me help you. Give me a minute. I got to go. I want to do it. Practice these until they flow. Your goal is to sound clear and confident. Real fluency is small words spoken with rhythm. Now we must train your brain and your mouth together. Your mouth cannot speak what your brain does not believe. If you are afraid, your voice will break. We must reprogram your thoughts. Think of your brain as a pilot and your mouth as the airplane. If the pilot is nervous, the plane will not fly well. Step 1. Speak with emotion. Do not focus only on grammar. People remember your energy. English is a living emotional sound. Instead of being a robot, say, I'm happy to be here with a real smile. Connect with the meaning. Step 2. Speak like an actor. Practice like you are in a movie. Say a sentence with different emotions. Say it while you are excited, then angry, then nervous. When you act, your brain forgets fear. This is fluency. Step 3. Use mental shortcuts. Do not translate from your own language. That is too slow. Train your brain to connect sounds with images. When you hear, I'm starving, think of a hungry stomach, not a translated word. Step 4. Move your body. Stand up and move your hands. When you move, your brain remembers better and your voice is stronger. Every day, spend 1 minute with emotion, 1 minute acting, and 1 minute moving while you talk. This is real brain rewiring. Repetition is your secret weapon, but you must repeat smartly. Do not repeat like a robot. Repetition is about quality. We repeat to build mouth memory and speed. Use the 5-stage system. Stage 1 is slow clarity. Stage 2 is flow. Stage 3 is emotion. Stage 5 is real-world use. 1 sentence per day, but 5 ways to say it. Choose powerful sentences like, I am proud of myself, or I will speak fluently. When words have power, your voice has power. Every great speaker has repeated sentences hundreds of times. Close your grammar book for a moment. You are not bad at English. Sun sadis dogru si kilda antraman yap miorsan. You do not need another tip. You need training. Many people understand English but they stay silent because they do not train their mouth. Are you a passive learner or a fluent speaker? A passive learner watches for hours but practices 0. A fluent speaker trains their mouth for 5 minutes. You already know what to do. Stop waiting for permission. Stop being scared of mistakes. Think about the opportunities you lost because you did not speak. You can change the next 30 days. You can speak your first sentence today. Build your fluency brick by brick. By the end of the month, your fear will drop. Fluency is a decision. Say, I will train my mouth every day. Fluency is built in the mirror and in the early morning. One day people will hear you and they will say, wow, you are so fluent. Only you will know the truth about your 5-minute practice. It is time to speak. It is time to become you in English. Say this with me now. I will no longer be silent. I will no longer wait. I will no longer fear mistakes. I will train my mouth every day. I will speak English no matter what. This voice is yours. This dream is yours. You have 2 choices. Says bu video you kapatip sesais kalmea devam edibilirsanais yada inaya bekip bugan baslayabilirsanais. You are becoming fluent by speaking. Your story is starting now. Do not let doubt steal your voice. You do not need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. This is your language now. If this video helped you, subscribe to EasyFlow English. Share this with a friend and comment below. I will train my mouth every day. Remember, the most fluent people are the ones who refuse to stay silent. Your fluency begins when your fear ends. See you in the next video.